guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a clean with me video. I'll just be cleaning my room, just kind of showing you the mess a little bit before. It's not too bad, but just needed to be organized and decluttered. So I'm going to go ahead and speed things up and let you guys just watch and hopefully enjoy. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. As you can see, it's decluttered, everything's put away in their space, and yeah, it just looks so much better, so much more clear. And it was getting late at around nighttime, so that's why Eli's stuff is on my nightstand. He likes to come in and hang out for a little bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.